Hi, I'm Joe Raffinelli, Director of Technical Solutions here at Macrosoft. We customize software development company that specializes in modernizing platforms to new technologies. I'm excited to be here with Micheal Knight. He is a VP of Technology from Datascan. We're going to be discussing his experiences here, working with Macrosoft. Datascan is a software development company specializing in financial applications within the wholesale lending space. Datascan has been with Microsoft since the mid-2022. We completed a VFP migration for their CCS communication systems. Micheal, I can't thank you enough for being here today.
Oh, I thank you. You're welcome.
So, Micheal, we'll sort of an easy question here. Deciding factors to migrate the application.
So we were transitioning our infrastructure from on-prem to the cloud. And as part of that transformation, we wanted to get rid of all of our older operating systems and servers. And we had an older component that was written in FoxPro that was part of our application running on an older server. And we wanted to transition that from FoxPro into .NET and install it on a modern application.
Okay, perfect. So how did you first learn about Microsoft and our services?
Online search. So I was just doing a search for companies that were good at transitioning FoxPro applications to .NET applications, and Microsoft's name came up. So just good old internet.
And we appreciate the follow-up there. So deciding factors for selecting us?
People we came into contact with. We felt that very comfortable with the individuals that we had conversations with. We also got a clear understanding that you were good at the transition from Visual FoxPro into .NET and had done it several times in the past. And the price point was within the range that we were expecting.
Perfect. We're glad we can help. So can you share your experiences with us?
Yeah, so I'll just go into a couple of difficulties we had. So the biggest challenge we had is this was an old application, and although we kind of knew what it did at a high level, obviously we've been running it for a long time, the details and that come with an application like that are often lost from a perspective of we have a lot of developers who just haven't worked on the application for a long time, and a lot of them that worked on it originally had left. So as we dug into it, and as Microsoft dug into it, we had a hard time understanding, some of the nuances of what it used to do. The good news was Microsoft was very good at digging in deep and providing us an understanding of what they felt the code base did as they read through the Visual FoxPro code. Their technical expertise was very helpful there. And they gave us options and allowed us to decide and kind of rediscover some of the things that we had lost. From a knowledge perspective and get through the project and be successful as part of the outcome.
Perfect. I'm so glad we had that collaboration with you guys.
Yeah.
So obviously you're doing this testimonial today, so I know you would recommend us, but folks might want to ask why.
So people, whenever we do business with a vendor, we always try and say that is a partnership. And we felt that Microsoft met that qualification as a partner. No project is simple and straightforward from beginning to end. In our case, we had a lot of rediscovery to do, and Microsoft dug in and really did the job that we needed them to do without waiting on us to come back with the understanding. They were able to provide the understanding themselves and allowed us to keep our people focused on other areas of our AWS transformation, which was successful across the board for us as an organization, and Microsoft was a part of that.
Perfect, Micheal. Thank you so much for sharing your experiences. So to our listeners, I hope this short video helped anyone interested in modernizing their platform to take this initial step to contact Microsoft. We definitely can do consultations. We'll do the sizing of your application. We can give you a migration quote. I could be reached at the below details. She should show up in unlimited here. But at this point, what I want to do is I want to thank everybody and goodbye for now. Take care.
All right. Thank you, Joe.
Bye-bye.